Understanding Lighting Candles, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, lighting candles. Idioms are a crucial part of mastering a language because they add color and depth to everyday conversations. So, let's illuminate the meaning behind this intriguing phrase together. Before we delve into our main phrase, it's important to understand what idioms are. An idiom is a phrase or an expression that has a figurative, or sometimes literal, meaning. These are different from the literal meanings of the words themselves. For example, break a leg in English means good luck, which is far from its literal interpretation. Understanding idioms is key to grasping the essence of a language. To understand the idiomatic meaning, let's first look at the literal action of lighting candles. Candles are often lit for illumination, celebration, remembrance, or creating a soothing atmosphere. The act is simple, using a match or lighter to ignite the candle's wick, transforming it into a source of light. Now, let's explore the idiomatic meaning of lighting candles. This phrase isn't just about the physical act. It symbolizes bringing light, hope, or clarity to a situation. When someone says they're lighting candles in a figurative sense, they mean they're trying to improve a situation, often by introducing new ideas or positive thoughts. Understanding how to use this idiom in conversation is crucial. You might hear someone say, "We were all worried about the project's success, but then Jenna started lighting candles with her innovative ideas." This means Jenna introduced hopeful or positive elements into a challenging situation. It's all about context and the subtlety of English expressions. Interestingly, lighting candles also holds cultural significance in many societies, often associated with celebration, remembrance, and spirituality. These cultural connotations add depth to the idiom, enriching its usage in the English language. I hope this video has shed light on the idiom, lighting candles, and its usage in English. Idioms like these enrich our conversations and help us express complex ideas in simple terms. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be adding these colorful expressions to your everyday English with ease. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into the beautiful world of English language learning.